Good day. Lecture number 17. Man against nature. Man is a primate and a human. Most precisely, a primate and a human apprentice. His life ratio is 90-10, meaning 90% primate and 10% human. That's the strange and surprising second millennium man's finding. Answering to Socrates' counsel, know you yourself, and you'll know the universe and gods. Two handicaps explain that man's feeble performance. First, influenced by the past thinking, man is convinced that the more intelligent he is, the more nature he is. What an error! What an illusion! Intelligence is a group of skills giving power of thinking, comparing, deducting, formulating opinions, and deciding action to be taken. Intelligence isn't maturity, but assists men to acquire it. A last-year university student gets a doctorate. His knowledge doesn't confer experience, but will be a good tool to acquire it. So, intelligence man is not always nature, and nature man is not always intelligent. Secondly, always with the same false past influence, man was for too long time convinced that he appeared by abiogenesis, spontaneous creation. Man would have been created almost as he is now. Therefore, his genealogy would be limited to civilized men. Consequently, deprives of his ancestors' knowledge. He is not aware of his truly past influences. Louis Pasteur revealed that man came to life by biogenesis. For Pasteur, life can only come from life. Man is mineral, vegetable, and animal, and therefore he lives by mineral, vegetable, and animal influences. Aristotle told us that matter is eternal, only its form has been created. So, mineral bequeathed man of immaterial and eternal life, but materially with the bony skeleton structure. Anaxagoras the Clazoman said that nothing is created, nothing is lost, but everything is transformed. Therefore, man inherited of mineral mutability. The vegetable modify its forms, its volumes, its colors, and even its tastes. To realize these performances, it is invested of 7 vital processes: breathing, feeding, digesting, sharing of energy, eliminating, protecting, and procreating. To these, 3 vital needs should be added: humidity, heat, and nourishment. Therefore, the vegetable life depends on 10 vital activities. Nature controls and maintains all these activities, and the vegetable is subjected to nature. If any of these activities is absent or disproportionate to the need, the vegetable by no means is able to correct the situation. it endures the effect. The vegetable is favored by any freedom. On material point of view, man inherited from vegetable of air and Nil's growth. The animal came next. Likewise, the animal benefited of all vital activities. The animal enjoys a relative freedom. For this, he must cooperate for three vital needs: eating, protecting, and procreating. Nature has always been the source of all activities. It's nature that advises the animal when to eat, when to defend itself, and when to procreate. The animal responds to instinct, and instinct is nature's substitute. Therefore, when the animal responds to its instinct, it responds to nature. To complete this assistance, nature adds biologic and physiologic supports. Then, when a need is signaled, the animal looks for food, brings participation for protection, and looks for procreation partner. When need is over, nature ceases sending signal, and without signal, the animal stops all collaboration. The animal freedom power is limited exclusively to the need of food, protection, and procreation. Men's survival depends on same vital needs and privileges than for the animal. Like for the animal, nature cooperates by sending men signal and preparation for eating and protecting. When the vital need is completed, nature ceases to send signal for vital necessities. There ceases nature's action and begins men's freedom powers. Need to eat. When man is advised that time has come to eat, he may accept or refuse it. If he accepts, he makes a choice of food, quality, and quantity. Nevertheless, his powers allow him to challenge nature. When man is satisfied, he may decide to continue to eat, even if contrary to his own good. At other times, when he doesn't feel hungry, he may create a false eating need, a false appetite. Strangely enough, any false need will produce the same effects as if it were real, receiving a signal and enjoying same preparation, filling him with full pleasure of eating. When that choice comes from a man's decision, this is a false need, a false appetite, and from then on, man becomes the sole decider and couldn't hope on nature's help. He is opponent to nature. He alone could manage that false need. Consequently, sooner or later, he'll endure the damages. These false needs have often pathogenic results as diabetes, obesity, alcoholism, addiction to smoking, bulimia, cardiovascular diseases, cirrhosis, and so forth. Need for protection. Likewise, for the need of protection, nature advises of danger and prepares man to fulfill his duty to protect himself. Nevertheless, man with all his intelligent powers and free will could respond to the need or refuse to respond to it. Later, when the aggression is over, nature ceases sending any signal and preparation. Man is primate with animal, possessive, and domineering characters. So, in the absence of aggression, man could look for possessing and domineering pleasure, and by his intelligent powers can create a false need, a false aggression, in order to enjoy the pleasure of fighting. Therefore, this false need has the same effect as if it were real. Men remain responsible for the action following this false aggression, and again without nature's help. Then man's incapacity to manage that false aggression would resume in painful consequences. Among them are wrong behaviors such as anger, impatience, harassment, slavery, cruelty, despotism, hatred, vengeance, wars, tortures, and so on. Need for procreation. For nature, the procreation nature is uniquely a mean, never a goal. But with intelligent powers, men can transform that mean into a goal and rename it sexuality. Sexuality is like a religion, an animal religion, based exclusively on animal instinct influences. Effectively, pleasure as finality doesn't exist in nature. That false goal is an expressly human candidate creation. Conclusion: God of the past is now life in present. Life created religion to instruct man on life principles that would guide him to the road of freedom and happiness. Men bestowed with intelligence and free will powers challenges nature by creating a religion based on animals' instinct, setting up an unfavorable handicap for freedom and happiness. Jean-Jacques Rousseau said, "Man is born free, and everywhere he is in iron." Jean-Paul Sartre said, "To be free is to reach what one could." The modern men say, "No, to be free is to get powers over all desires." Men will live with happiness but by freedom, and men will be able to open up the freedom's doors when he'll find the thinking key. Thank you. Armin. Let's remember that all lectures are available on paper or by email. Thank you.